How to measure and install a build-out frame for a hinged door. In this project, we have selected a short leg build-out frame for this particular door jamb, but there are other types of build-out frames available at Starline Security. We need to install the build-out frame in this project because the door handle sits where the new door will be installed, and we need more width to install the new door. Step 1. Measuring the width, measure the top jamb opening size, 832 mm. When ordering the build-out frame, deduct 1 mm from the opening size. Take your time, measuring left to right and then again right to left to help with measuring accuracy. Step 2. Measuring the drop, measure the left side drop from the bottom of the sill to the head opening size. 2058 mm is the opening size. Deduct 2 mm when ordering a build-out frame. Step 3. Repeat Step 2 on the right side of door. Step 4. Check and note the color of the door. Install the build-out. Step 1. Assemble build-out frame. Inserting the corners, then fix with screws. Step 2. Carefully lift the assembled build-out frame into the door jamb. Make sure the build-out frame is seated fully. Fix off build-out frame to door jamb with security screws. 7 fixings per side and 2 across the top is typical. You now know how to measure and install a build-out frame for a hinged door.